Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video we're doing a newer update for one of my older mods. This is of course the MST intake that adapts the Mustang EcoBoost throttle body that we installed a long time ago, and it makes it a little bit better flowing, because right now I have the stock intake on and it is a bit kinked, and it of course has the ridges. So this really solves all those issues with flow that we're gonna see. And I want to go for a ride first to talk about what I kind of feel when I drive with this stock intake pipe. All right, so let's talk about how this car feels when you take it for a drive. All right, so let's talk about how this car feels while you're driving with the stock intake, with the EcoBoost Mustang throttle body, and with the RS airbox, which is basically just a stock one with a nice cutout on top. Basic daily driving, it's perfectly fine. You don't really feel that different with the issues with the intake tube. The issues, however, come when you want to give it some power. So there is some slight hesitation I've noticed since the beginning, basically because you just have all this disruption in the airway of the intake. So with this mod, I really want to go ahead and fix that issue, make it a little bit smoother, and hopefully it does. All right, so let's go ahead and switch that intake out real quick. All right, so here you can see the differences between the two. It's a lot smoother on the inside, and as before it was all kinked. So let's get this one in. Alright guys, that new intake's installed. Let's go ahead and take it for a ride. So at the moment I'm just taking it out, driving on normal roads. It's like traffic hour right now, so it's really busy, but I can already tell you that it's already so much better than before. Everything's a little bit more smooth than it was. You don't have kind of a slight hesitation from the air working its way through that crinkled and bent old intake tube. This nice silicone one has a bit of a crease in it right now. I'll go ahead and work on getting that, smoothed out, and it should help a lot more. But right now, I gotta say, it's definitely worth the little investment. I'll have it linked down below. So I actually picked up this silicone intake from Ravelli Customs, but it did take a long time, and they shipped it directly from China. So I'm not certain if this was available when I did the throttle body upgrade. I don't think it was. But it's definitely something I would suggest to do now. If you're doing that throttle body upgrade, it's definitely a good idea to just get the stuff you need in the first place. The throttle body is a great upgrade to start with, and if you can get the silicone intake to match up with everything, it's just going to work out a lot better in the long run. So yeah, I'll have the links down below. You can go get it for yourself. There are two options for this intake. If you have the stock one, they make a stock version. If you want to do the throttle body upgrade, they make that too. Alright guys, thanks for watching this little mod update video. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button down below. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and be sure to ding that bell for more updates. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.